In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Start by opening Theme Store app and selecting the best theme for you by tapping on Home or Category at the bottom and selecting Themes at the top. You can also click on the search bar and type in whatever you want to. Either way, after finding perfect theme, click on it, tap on Apply, and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, theme of my device was successfully changed. If you wanna go back to your default theme, access Theme Store again, select Me at the bottom right corner and hit My Resources. Then tap on Apply over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!